Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Cancer for your general energies, career situation and relationship guys Cancers. We are picking few cards guys. So these are for your general energies Cancers. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation guys. So if you want more clarity guys Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will come right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here guys. We have the moon, prince of suns and the devil in reverse. So with these cards in your situation guys Cancers, you have some kind of an intuition or instincts to take up something or make some choices or make some decisions for yourself. It may be something in your career or in this relationship. Maybe your intuition is telling you something. Maybe when you are in the verge of making some important decision, you have a particular impulse to take up that choice. So you need to understand that there are some unconscious urges you have that is pushing you towards some path in life guys, and it may be for something good or it may be some thing that is destined in your life. That may be the reason for you feeling this way when you are making some important decisions. And you are someone who's really creative, talented, and you are someone who is in an important position in your life. Maybe you are a team leader, manager, someone with lot of responsibilities and who is wise, talented, experienced, and people come to you for valuable support and guidance. And maybe you follow a particular ideal or particular rules for yourself and you strictly follow that, and people may think of you as someone who is severe, rigid in the ways in your way of dealing or handling your situation. So you never leave the path you have for yourself, what let it be the ideals you follow or whatever beliefs you have for yourself guys. So people see you as a very strict person and severe person. And today maybe you are concerned for someone in your situation. Maybe there is someone in some deep trouble, they are having some kind of problems and you are trying to help them come out of that. And maybe you feel really happy that you are in this position able to help someone in your situation today guys, and that is helping you to bring that confidence, that purpose in your life. So the way you are today, maybe you are feeling really happy because you are able to help someone out of their troubles, and you are in a position to do that and you are simply happy, feeling that emotional contentment and satisfaction. And you know what is your maybe you feel that gratitude towards the universe for keeping you in this position able to help others, and you have immense gratitude guys. And maybe you may be helping this person you love. That may be the reason for this happiness in your situation guys Cancer. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Page of Suns. So with this card guys, in your situation, it just means that maybe you are someone who is extraordinary, talented, skilled, and this person you love is crazily attracted to you guys. They see you as someone like a movie star, someone so great, and they are simply admiring you. And they are your what to say, a huge fan, and they like each and every one of your aspects, maybe your personality, the way you are, your appearance, and your charming nature, whatever it is. They have this crazy attraction and they are admiring you guys, Cancers, and they see you as someone really marvelous, someone extraordinary. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Seven of Moons. So with this card, guys, you are making lot of plans in your situation, guys. Maybe some plans may what to say, manifest, but some may not. Maybe you need to put in more efforts, or you need to what to say, instead of just dreaming, you should try to make concrete efforts, guys, more efforts. Maybe you are making efforts, maybe that may not be what to say, you may need to do more in your situation, guys, to reach those dreams. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Cancers. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your love reading, guys, today we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals. So you can think about your situation. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card or the crystal that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card here. This is your first card, second card and third card, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who chose this card, the first card and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have round and round. So this card just means that in our situation, the spiral quality of events, when something is not being integrated in our life, guys, maybe through our experience, the lessons, what we are supposed to learn, when we do not learn that, we go through that pattern again and again, guys. And this card is a reminder of that. Maybe you feel that in your circumstance today, how you are back here again, maybe in the same kind of situation. Maybe you would have had a similar experience before in your past. So you need not be surprised because you are finding yourself with the same kind of circumstance, with a same type of person, maybe. But you need to understand that in your situation today, what is happening is that universe is trying to guide you or bring that evolution in you, guys, bring that changes in you. That is the reason for things going in a particular way. So maybe you should learn your lessons, what you should not do. You should not do it now. Maybe what you did before, maybe some responses or the way you behaved, you should not repeat that now, guys. So that is what this card means. Maybe today you should handle your situation from a different perspective and respond in a different way. That way you will be able to break this cycle. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So let's keep this card aside. For those who have chosen the second card, guys, sorry guys, this is your second card and second crystal. This is the crystal for y'all and this is the card. So for those who have chosen this crystal, it is Archangel Uriel. So this angel, it guides us to have that clarity, have our own wisdom in any situation, guys. And this guidance is subtle and gentle but very powerful. So maybe we are trying to find solution in some areas. We feel that we are stuck, some kind of confusions or doubts are there, but the answers you seek are right within you. So this guidance, this card comes with the guidance that you will get your answers from within, maybe through some messages, or you may see certain signs in your situation. Something is going to help you out today, something that is going to maybe you may find your answers within yourself, maybe through your intuition or some signs or something in your situation. So that way you will get clarity, guys. So maybe some confusions are there and it is all going to clear out. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, the second card. So let's see what is the third card, guys. So for those who chose this crystal and this card, we have Seraphos green quartz. So that is the card here. It's a crystal spirit card. So sometimes we are just forcing ourselves towards something we desire. We are working hard, making efforts, but today we have come to an acceptance that what is not supposed to come will never come towards us, or what is not supposed to change will never change, at least not for this moment. So you have your clarity today, and honestly, you know what you can change and what you cannot change in this relationship. So that way you have a clear idea, guys. So you will be able to work with that other person, co-create your dreams and goals, what you desire and what you deserve. So you need to be present, be here this moment in your life today. Maybe if you are sad, you can cry. It's not going to change anything, guys. But you should not forget that universe is your friend and it is guiding you in a particular way, and you are going to feel so much love and so much happy, and you need not worry that this is the end of things. Maybe certain things are not going up to expectation, but you need not worry. Things will change for the better, and there are good things waiting for you, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.